All right, so it's Sunday morning and the T-60 is coming along nicely. I've got the wheels on there, and I've got the top on, and I've got the little cap on here, and I've got his little, I don't know what you call that, a light or something. I've got the other wheels on, and I've got some of the air guards in. I mean the air system flappy thingies in. Now this is a very difficult kit. I've done most of this part, which is pretty easy, but now it gets really difficult. I'll show you what's going on here. So where am I? I've finished all this stuff here, so that's all finished. See, I've got all that on. So I'm up to these stages here. So I've just got these put in. I've got to build this thing, and I've got to put that in, and then I've got to do the tracks. All right. Now I'll quickly show you the track. These are tiny. Now there's 16 on each. You need 85 in a track, and it's got 3 connection points. I took out 4 of them and gave them a bit of a sand. They're very delicate because you can see in the middle there, it's only held together by a little bit of plastic. So that's going to be a very difficult process putting those on there. They're very delicate and they're very little. Also, we're getting to some difficult photo etch bends here now when we get to the putting together the mud guards, or whatever you call them. Okay, so see how we've got some really complicated photo etch bends going on here around these tools. All these photo etch clips. So they've got will go on next. So this is where it's going to get quite difficult. All these photo etch clips, and then we get to the turret, which is going to be very small and very difficult to paint. So I'm going to have to work out a system. And you see all these little photo etch parts. It's just heaps of it. And then we finish off the grill. You see here, this is going to be quite a challenge. Making these things up, these triangles, then getting these things to go in between them and stick them on at the same time. You see, you've got to stick them on with a clip as well. It's just, I'm going to do it. It's going to be successful and it's going to look good, but it's not going to be easy. And I'd say this now, this is not a kit for the light-hearted. And you see how you've got to put these little wing nuts in, photo etch wing nuts. It's just, oh yeah, and putting on the clips of the little toe cables. See, putting this together wasn't easy either. You've got the exhaust pipe, and I forgot to put that in as I was putting the top on. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's an exhaust pipe, and I forgot to put that in. I got it in though, so that was quite difficult. That had to attach to there. But yeah, this is a complicated kit. It's really rewarding, but I would recommend that you do a lot of other kits first before you start this Miniart T-60 kit, which is just this here. I think it's one of their best engineered kits out there, but it's so complicated. You see the T-34 is starting to look awesome. That hasn't got much more to go. And I've started doing some detailing on the side here. Just started. And I'll show you, this is another part of the Soviet collection. So I've got a Matilda coming along here. And that needs some more work on the front. And my mother's Tiger is nearly ready for delivery. So I'll be taking that to her soon. Alright, I'll see you again soon.